Hello! Welcome to my week 6 final project. Let's start out with the card.java. With this, I did a string of name, a string of suit, int value. I was able to add all that up into a card method that takes in three parts, and we have all the getters and setters right here, as well as the void describe. Then with the deck, I did kind of the same thing where I made a list to have a bunch of different suits, to have the clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades, then the numbers of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king, and ace. Counting is fun in cards, so. Then we have another for loop right here that will add to the suits to, well, basically it gives the value to each one we need. So then it goes up here, the getters and setters. Then we have the describe, which will describe the card. And then, the describe card just goes back up to here. Then for the shuffle, it shuffles all the cards up. Then we have a draw one that will return cards but remove the first one. Next, for players, here we have a player right here that takes in string name, list of card, hand, then int score, and you can see right here. Then we have a flip method that returns the hand but removes the first one. Then we have a drawing one, which is just the deck one right here that draws it. Then we have the getters and setters over here, and also the describe method. That prints out player name has score points, and names remaining cards, then it lists all the cards they have in their deck. So, finally an application. We have the first part, which defines the new players, then describes new players, Libby and Kiki. Libby is player 1, Kiki is player 2. Next, we shuffled the deck, then described it under the system out print. Then this divided the cards evenly up between these two. And then we had another describe to basically say here's what they are starting with. Then here is where it plays out, where it takes the top card of both their decks, then decides of which one is higher, then says that this person gets a point, then that person gets an extra point. And it all goes down here, so when it's done, it says their final score, then it says who's the winner. So if player 1 is the winner, Libby will be the winner, player 2 is the winner, Kiki will be the winner, and if they have the same points, it will be a draw. So let's press play and run it. So the shuffle deck is right here. Then it takes Libby and Kiki's decks and takes the first one in the row. Then sees who it is. And since Kiki has the bigger one, it says Kiki has a point. Then if we just go all the way down, we can see there's some draws in there, some more right here, and it goes all the way down here until we run out of cards and says their final score of Libby having 13, Kiki having 10, and saying Libby is the winner. And let me real quick redo this a couple of times just to see if everything else works, because I think it does. As you can see here, this one says Kiki is the winner because Kiki has a higher score. And because in this one, both Kiki and Libby both have an even score, it is a draw. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.